Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about packet tracer 10.2.1 configure multi-area OSPF version 3. As you know, OSPF version 3 is special for IP version 6 and OSPF version 2 is for um, IP version 4. And in this activity, objectives are configure OSPF version 3 and also verify multi-area OSPF version 3 operations. As also you can see in the topology, we have some routers here in 3 area. And when a large OSPF area is divided into a smaller area like this topology, this is called multi-area OSPF. And multi-area OSPF is useful in larger network deployments to reduce processing and the smaller routing tables and memory overhead and something like that. And it's very, very important. In this activity, we should configure multi-area OSPF version 3, and we start from part 1, enable IP version 6 routing and configure OSPF on RA. We have RA here, and as you know also, RA is a ABR because RA has in interface in area 0 and in interface in area 1, and this router and also RC is called ABR. And also we have another router in OSPF. This is ASBR, a router that has a connection to external to internet, also called ASBR. And also we have backbone router and area 0, some router that is in area 0 called backbone router like RB. We should go to ABR or on RA here, and first we should activate IP version 6. First enable and configure terminal global mode, and you can write here IP version 6 router OSPF, and process ID for, excuse me, first we should IP version 6 unicast routing, and you say to your router A, I want to use OSPF version 6. IP version 6 unicast routing command help us to activate version 3. And after that, we should go here and configure OSPF on RA with process ID of 1 and process and also router ID of 1111. IP version 6 router is a command to create OSPF, and after that you should also set router ID. As you know, router ID can use it for DR election, because I want to control DR election, and in this situation you should activate also router ID, and router ID for this router is 1111. And we should also configure each active IP version 6 interface with OSPF version 3, assigning each to the area listed in the addressing table. Based on the addressing table, we should also propagate or advertise our network, and we should set some network that connected directly to router A. And in this situation, you can use interface configuration, interface G00, have here, G00 and also G01, both of them. And first, IP version 6, OSPF area. Which area? This is area 1. And also interface OSPF 1. And also we have interface G01. And we have also IP version 6 OSPF 1. This is process ID and area 1. And we have also interface serial 000 that connected to RB here. This is this interface. And also it should be in area 0. This is not in area 1, as you can see. This is in area 0, this interface. But process ID is same. Process ID for all of the routers in this activity and in this topology is same. Yes. And configure OSPF version 3 on RB and also on RC. We should go to RB here. All of the interface there that is in area 0. First, we should activate IP version 6 routing for OSPF version 3 and IP version 6 router OSPF and process ID is 1. What is router ID? Router ID 2222 and interface G00, IP version 6 OSPF 1. As you can see here, it should be 1 and area 0. This is process ID here, as you can see, and also area. This is area 0. And it should be done. We have also serial 000 that connected to RA and also serial 001 that connected to RC. And both of them should be activate about IP version 6 OSPF area 0. Yes. And what about RC? RC is an APR also. It means has to has interface some interfaces in 2 or more area. And first we should activate IP version 6 unicast and IP version 6 router OSPF process ID is 1 and router ID should be 3333. It's a good advice to set router ID because we want to intervene and we want to involve in DR election, designated router election, I mean. And interface, we have G00, IP version 6, OSPF process ID 1, and also we have which area, G00 and G01 is in area 2 and serial 001 is in area 0. This is area 1, excuse me, area 2, IP version 6, IP version 6, OSPF1. What happened here? Interface G00, IP version 6, IP version 6, OSPF, number 1, area. Also, this is number 2. IP version 6. Oh, I have written here OPSF. Excuse me, my bad. And G01. And also we have in area 2. And we have serial 0, 0, 001. This is not right. I should delete it, but it's better. You can see sometimes I can take or sometimes you're wrong. Maybe it's my bad, but I can also edit it. It should be in area 0, as you can see here. This is area 0 and IP version 6 OSPF1 area 0. Yes, I have also fixed my mistake. Yes. Okay. Verify multi-area OSPF version 3. We have finished configuration, and we should investigate operations or OSPF version 3 operation. From RA, ping each of the remote devices in area 0 and area 2. This is RA, and IP version 6 or ping IP version 6, and this is IP address I want to. Yes, it works. What about other? We have also, we want to also ping other PCs or other IP addresses here. You can see all of them are successful. Only this one. This one is not successful. Ping this one. But I don't know why, because there is nothing here in our objectives, but there is no troubleshooting here. I don't know. Ping. Yes. Use show command on examine OSPF version 3 operation. Show IP version 6 OSPF. Here you can see this is some information about RA. Process ID is 1111, and we have used OSPF version 3 because we have configured IP version 6, and this is a SPF delay, you can see here, and some information like LSA interval, minimum and max, minimum interval, and some useful information, right? Area 0, area 1, number of interfaces in this area is 2. And what about backbone area? It has also 1 interface here, and it means we don't have any interface in area 2, but it also is correct. We can also use this command here, show IP version 6 rows here. We can also use some information here. C, it means interfaces IP address that directly connected to us, like for example, this interface IP address is C. Local is a network address that connected to RA. We have 3 network addresses here. This is all LLL. You can see 3, 1, 2, also 3, and also 4 here. And also we have OS. It means we learned them from OSPF, and also we have here and OI. This is also OSPF. You can see also 110 for any pass here to access to, for example, some destination. 110 is administrative value or distance. This is 110 by default for OSPF, and also we have cost to get access to destination. You can see we have different cost. It depends on bandwidth and something like that in this topology. And also we can also use show IP version OSPF database. You can see database here. For example, we have in router name is 11, 11, 11, 11, and 12, 12, 12, 12. Maybe it's area 0, maybe it's area 1 and area 2 and something like that. And also we can use this show command. There are so many information here about, for example, hello packets and interface, which interface is participate in OSPF and what is the status that the status is on, and interface ID and which area that interface is, and a lot of information you can see here, and what is the cost to get this this interface. This is cost is 1. Yes, and also we can get access and get information about what is our neighbor. We have some neighbor. This is 2222, and this is we have also 2 the router in area 1 in this cloud here, but we cannot see because it's hidden. But we can see here 11, 11, 11 and 12, 12, 12, 12. This is also we have 2 interface here, and we can get access to them via G00, this one, and G01 also here. And also it's same process. For example, for router B, you can also gather some information about also router B here, and you can get some information which area router B. This is router A, excuse me. Is in area 2 and also has an interface in area 0. Number of interface is 1, and some information about LSA also. And we have information about local. This is, we have some local IP address here and connected. This is the interface IP address, and local is the network address. And also we have O, it means OSPF, that we have learned this IP address and this IP address from OSPF, and also this IP address from OSPF, and OI also, because we have learned it from other area. This is in area 1. These two address we can see OI. It means this is not in area 0 or area 2. This is in area 1 that RC has not directly connected to area 1, as you can see, but it means OI. And also we have administrative distance and value, and also we have cost here to access to any address or network and something like that. And other also information. Also we have we can use show IP version 6 OSPF neighbor. You can see we have two also router here, router 31 and router 32 that connected to G01 and G02, and they are in cloud. And yes, this is also hidden. We cannot see them. Yes, and some information about, for example, interface, but also you can use this information and this show command for RV and gather some information and maybe interpret this information. This is G01 that connected to RC because it's in router C that has three interfaces. G00 interface ID is 1. This is in area 2. Process ID is 1 that participate, and also router ID is 33. And we have to and designated, and DR designated is 31, 31, 31, 31. This is nated router, and also we have backup router here for this interface, I mean. But you can see here also we have serial 001, and also this is point to point. Yes, there are a lot of information. Also hello packets. It was 1 second ago that we have got and gather some information from neighbor. Yes, and a lot of information also here. Yes, but we want to also check this ping. It doesn't work. I don't know why, but I have also written all of the comments here. There is nothing for troubleshooting here because I don't know what is this is IP address for C2 and C1. Okay. What I want to show you in this ping that I cannot IP version 6. It's a troubleshooting. As you can see, we have two network address here that RA has learned from other area that does not have any direct connection to this area. I mean, this one and this one. This is OI. It means OSPF in inter area, and RA has learned both of them. You can see 2001 DB8 1 C1 and also C2, and has learned them from serial also 000, but it works for us. We should ping again, and this is yes, it works also for us. We have also yes, also it works for us because this IP address is correct but I think this IP address is not correct because RA can ping this network address and also can ping this IP address, and it means number 2 C22 is not does not exist in this topology, but it's not right. I don't know why. It's a Cisco problem. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.